Okay, so now I'm gonna explain a bit on how we're going to do the electronic configuration for nitride ion. So actually nitride ion is formed from nitrogen atom. Okay, so when it comes to electronic configuration, we always want to find the number of electrons first. If I look at the periodic table, I see that nitrogen has 7 protons, the smaller number, right? And in an atom, the number of protons equals number of electrons. So I start with 7 electrons for nitrogen atom. Okay, so 7 electrons. For the electronic configuration, I want to split it into 2 in the first shell and 5 in the second shell. Okay, but then again, this is the atom. If I want to make it to an ion, I need to ensure that the valence shell or the outermost shell has the maximum number of electrons, which is 8. So what that means is that I need to gain 3 electrons. When the nitrogen atom gains 3 electrons, it will actually have a charge of 3 minus, because electrons are negatively charged. Okay, so once we know this and we know this, we can start to draw the electronic structure. Okay, so for electronic configuration here, we should be writing this. Alright, so for an ion, we always look for a fully filled outermost electron shell. So in this case, 2, 8, that's what we're looking for. Okay, so I can start to draw nitrogen in the center. Okay, and first shell, I'll have 2 electrons as shown here. Second shell, I will have 8 electrons. But remember, we started out with 5 and it gained 3. So let's draw the 5 first. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now it gained 3 electrons. So 3 electrons actually don't belong to nitrogen, they belong to another atom. Right? And I represent this by dots. Okay, so 1, 2, 3 dots here. Okay, and since it's an ion, I finish off with my square brackets. And I have a 3 minus charge. I write it here, 3 minus. Okay, and this is how I get the electronic configuration and electronic structure for nitride ion.